In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to use flows in CloudContactAI. Flows are prearranged, automated campaigns that you can build for either SMS or email. All accounts, regardless of whether or not they have purchased a subscription, will be able to access this option whether so long as they have put down a phone number. Under flows, you'll see the option to create an SMS flow or create an email flow with a little menu for any sort of flows that you've already made. For this demonstration, we'll be going over the SMS flows. Anytime you start creating a new flow, you'll be given the option to either build from a template or build from scratch. To add a new node, simply click and drag from the menu on the left. For the wait nodes, you have the option to adjust the units of time from seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. You can also adjust how many of these units need to pass in order to meet the condition. The messages work similarly, where once the flow reaches that node, it will send an SMS. The wait for SMS node will pause the flow until the contact replies. The condition node will take into consideration whatever the contact's replies are and split off into multiple potential paths. The default possible option is that the contact doesn't respond at all. However, if this box is not ticked, then the user does have some control over what the value is and what that value is equivalent to. This value in the operator 2 box can be either alphabetical or numerical. The logic of the flow ends once it hits the end node. Depending on how big the flow gets, there is a toggleable minimap at the top right of the screen that can give you an overview. To move around, simply click and drag on either the minimap or on the screen itself. The button up here will let you adjust either the name or the description of the flow. Once you're done editing the flow to your heart's content, just click Save Flow. After you've built and saved your first flow, it'll appear here in the flow list. From here, you just need to go to a campaign of your choice and apply the flow. In the SMS flow menu, you need to toggle the campaign type by clicking on the workflow option. From here, you'll have a little drop down from you to pick what flow you want to use. The message side will be grayed out as all the messages from here will be fully automated. Pick your contacts as you would normally and just click Send Campaign.